Hi guys, welcome back to Maker Advent Calendar. We are on day 5, but I think I need my assistant.
Assistant?
You're my assistant.
I thought you were going to be my assistant.
No.
One thing I wanted to say, can I say something real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
If this happens to be the first one of these that you're watching, check the channel, and I'll put a link in the description as well. It'll have a link to the playlist, because this is day 5. So there's some others you can watch. We're doing these every other day in December, all the way up until and including Christmas Eve. Let's see what we've got to work on today.
Okay. Today we have box 5.
Okay. It looks like there's not much in there.
Yeah.
So that is a little buzzer, and like we did with the PWM with the LEDs, we're going to be doing some PWM type stuff here with this little buzzer. Frequency is going to like change the sound or the tone of it. And the duty cycle is kind of like the PWM. That's going to be what sets how loud it is. We're going to look at some code examples here and see if we can make some noise with our little buzzer here. This says the negative or the black wire is going to go into, is that 18 there? The one that lines up with 18, which is there. And the one right next to it is what the red one's going to go to. 17. Alright, so that should be what we need to do there. It's kind of facing down, but I'm sure we will not have any problem hearing it. So now let's connect this up, and we will switch back over to Bonnie there in a second. You know what to do over here on this window, don't you?
I think
Let me switch over here.
Can I do my master skills?
Sure you can. Alright.
Okay, we're just gonna go typey type type.
Whoa, now I think it's going to make a noise when you hit the green button to send it to it. Let's see if it makes a noise. Yes. Whoop. Oh, hold on. Is it going to beep and then wait? What's it going to do? Oh, run it again. See if it just beeps. Looks like it just does it. So now play around with those numbers that are in frequency if you want to do that.
So, like, are you pictures?
Right here. Change that. Like
right
if you
here?
Right here. So that's going to be the frequency. Like that's going to be the sound of it, I believe. So don't go too low. It won't probably go any lower than that. So if you do, see that's 1,000. If you did 1,500, see if it's a higher sound.
I wanted to see what 400.
I think that's going to be too low, but try it.
400,000.
Try that. It should be a lower tone. Ooh, no, it's not. Oh, it was 1,000 before, right? Okay, that's it. So if you do 500, it'll be lower.
What if I go?
You can try that.
Cover your ears.
Okay, here we go. She's covering my ears. You can play with that other number to make it louder and softer. Where it says PWM duty.
Duty.
Below that, duty. D-U-T-Y. Thank you very much.
What do I do now?
Try that. Try to see if that makes it louder or softer. Change this number. A bigger number should make it louder, I think. And a smaller number will make it quieter. And push that and we'll see what we'll hear. Okay. So now make it... What was the set before? Maybe to make it real quiet. So make
it's
it
still high because of that.
Yeah,
Let's
you could make that back to 1,000 if you wanted to.
No.
Okay. The higher it is, the harder it's going to be for us to hear. That's what it was. Try that and see what it sounds like. And then you can play with the volume some. Okay. Yeah. That volume doesn't play. This changing this number should change the volume. So if you change this to 10,000, it should be louder. So change that number to 10,000 down there. You can see that's
right.
Yeah, that's the duty.
I can't do it.
Click in it. Click it. Okay, well, it might be super loud. Let's see, 10,000. You can tell the difference, right? So that makes a difference. So that's pretty cool. That was the first thing. Let's see what else we can do. Do you want to do the honors?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Type. Do you think I can't do it?
I think you can do it. I don't know. Maybe you can't do it. You look, you're getting a little rusty these days. Oh my gosh! Send the code. It should make 2 tones. It should go high then low. Let's try it. How about that?
Wee-woo.
All right, do Control D. You know what to do. Now try to run it.
Are you not impressed by my master?
I'm totally impressed. Is that changing the volume or the tone?
Volume.
that is changing the volume. So I'm going to show the camera down real quick so folks can see as you turn that knob. Woo, that is hurting my ears. Turn it down, please. Oh my God. The duty cycle it's changing. I wonder if you can make it change the woo, stop. All right. Let's go back over here. I wonder if we can make it change the tone.
Stop, so stop.
Yes. Go ahead, turn it off probably.
Turn it off.
Let's do this. I wonder if you can make it to do reading here. Buzzer duty, make it 1,000, right? Or was it 10,000? Let's change this to 1,000. And then change the buzzer frequency to the potentiometer. How about that? Now I bet it'll change the tone. And the volume will stay the same. Now turn the knob and see if the tone changes. Maybe not. Maybe it's not moving enough. Frequency too small. Oh, you know what? Let's see. We're going to say reading. I wonder if we can say reading times 1,000. No. Let's say reading times 2 or 3. Let's say reading times 3. I wonder if we can say that. Reading times 3. Let's see if that does something.
Okay.
Now do it. Now turn the knob up.
Okay.
Let's see what it does. Is it making a difference? Frequency too small. Interesting. Let's see. Let's do by 10. Try that. That's too loud. Too small. Okay, that's interesting. So we're gonna go and move it slowly. See if we get something we can hear with our ears. That's pretty cool. Listen to that. Oh, and then it went too small. I mean, it didn't ask us to do that. We're just playing around. Now we'll try to cut out this noise here. That's pretty cool. Let's try it again. Ready? I'm going to record this on this phone just in case this thing doesn't pick it up. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a try. So let's look at the lines here. What is that? That's 97 lines with the spaces and stuff, right? To play that song. So let's look at this other code. And look at this. How many lines is this? Look at that. That's less than half. I mean, there are some spaces in there. And let's see if it plays the same song, has the same output. Let's hear it. It's a little different, but it's pretty close. So this is, we can see like it's just E, da, 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 da. Let's see if we can find some other song to play. I bet we can find something. Let's use these, I think somebody's already defined all these notes for us. Look at this. Wow. So I'll bet we can try some other song out. Let's see if I can find another little Christmas song to play based on this math here. Let's see if we can figure something out. So what we did, we looked at the notes, we grabbed these, and the scale's a little different. I was looking for another Christmas song we could do, and I found the recorder or flutophone music for We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And you can see how you got an A here that's probably different than the A as far as the scale that we were given. So I've experimented with some notes here, as you can see. I took this and tried to do the timing the best I could, and well, it's not perfect because for these A's and above that, I experimented with these a little bit, but here's what it sounds like. So hey, thanks for tuning in to our number 5 of the Pi Hut Maker Advent Calendar. This was really fun. Even though it was a simple device, it was a lot of fun playing with that buzzer using PWM and the duty cycle for volume, and learning about the function thing to simplify. You can see that we really smushed our code down when we started using functions, so that was pretty cool. And we looked at the song example, put some extra notes in there, and almost got an okay sounding version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So I thought that was really fun. So my partner in crime had to take off before we did the ending here, but she wishes that you all have a good day. We'll see you again on December 9th. Hope you're having a great December. Bye-bye.